This hive has chalkbrood. Chalkbrood is a fungal problem that bees can experience. In the spring, when the weather is cold and damp, especially when it's really damp, chalkbrood can become overwhelming for a hive. As the weather warms up and the population of the hive increases, lots of times they're able to manage it without it being too much of a strain on a hive. This hive is not coping very well with the chalkbrood. It was very much overwhelmed. Right here, I'm just looking for day-old brood and to see if I can find the queen. I'm also paying attention to see if I notice any disease or any other issues with this hive. This hive was requeened last year in 2025, and queens usually last about 2 years, sometimes a little bit longer, but 2 years is about how long a queen will be viable in a hive. When inspecting a hive, one of the easiest ways to get them to move is by just gently blowing on them. Blowing on them causes the bees to scatter so that you can look at the comb underneath them and the brood pattern. The brood pattern in this hive is very patchy, partially because of the chalkbrood that it's been dealing with. I also noticed that this hive is producing and making supersedure cells. One of the reasons a hive will make supersedure cells is if the queen is failing. I know that the queen is alive in this hive because I've seen and found 1-day-old eggs. Because there are supersedure cells and the brood pattern is so wonky, I'm going to requeen this hive. Now, hopefully we get some warm weather so that the bees can start bringing in the honey.